Sir, solid absorb heat, melting or fusion.
Mhm.
Liquid absorb heat, boiling or vaporization.
Mm.
The gas heat released in surrounding.
Mm.
So it when it changes to liquid, the process is called condensation or liquefaction.
Liquefaction.
Liquefaction, yes
Mm.
sir.
फिर
The liquid when it releases heat in surroundings and when it changes to solid, the process is called freezing or solidification.
great. There is one more. Should I rub this much?
Yes sir.
Good. There are certain substances which convert directly from solid they convert into gas, right? From solid they directly convert into gas, or from gas they directly convert into solid. This this philosophy this phenomena is known as sublimation. Sublimation, right? This phenomena is sublimation.
Solid changes to gas.
Solid converts into gas and gas converts into solid.
Solid.
This is called sublimation, right?
The whole process, sir.
Yes, this whole process. And solid state is known as sublimate, 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 and this is called sublime. Gaseous state is called sublime. Sublime. I hope you have seen that naphthalene balls.
What, sir?
Naphthalene balls.
Yes, sir.
Naphthalene balls. When we are keeping
तो
after
इंसान भी जान
after after going winter, so in between winter clothes we keep these balls. They kill the uh, insects, bacteria, all this, right? So this is called solid to it converts directly solid into gas, because if it converts into liquid then it damages your winter clothes, right? So they directly convert into these naphthalene balls convert into solid into liquid, sorry, gas, and they kills bacteria and other insects, right?
Yes, sir.
You have heard about uh, in Hindi we call it नौसादर.
Yes, sir.
पिटकरी का नाम सुना है?
फिटकरी.
या इन हिंदी
Yes, sir.
जब कभी चोट वोट लगती है तो कट हो जाता है तो वी यूज दैट ना.
Yes, sir.
It helps in clotting of blood very fast.
पट्टी.
He that salt man, that is called NH4Cl. NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, right? You have heard about बोलते हैं उसको when carbon dioxide dry ice, dry ice, right? Under high pressure, under high pressure, under high pressure, under high pressure, carbon dioxide gas converts into carbon dioxide solid, which we call dry ice, right? Dry ice is basically carbon dioxide under high pressure. Get it? So what is sublimation? Where you gone, man? Sublimation.
Oh, sorry, sir.
What is sublimation?
Oh, sir, the process of change of state of matter between a solid and a gas and a solid is known as sublimation.
From where you write this definition?
Yes, sir.
From where you write this definition?
So, is this definition wrong?
No, it's not wrong. But when solid 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 converts into gas or gas convert into solid without 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 undergoing without undergoing intermediate state of liquid, right? Without undergoing intermediate state of liquid, known as sublimation. Known as sublimation. Right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Done?